Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the LUX Pro P711 programmable thermostat. I'm going to be going over the manual override right now in this video, but I also have videos covering the factory reset and the lockout screen, keypad lockout, as well as 7-day programming and the menu options explained. So please check out those other videos. Let's get into the manual override of this thermostat. It's very simple. So to do so, you have to be in either heating or cooling. You cannot be in the off position, so let's switch this to the cooling section. And now we are able to override the thermostat. As you can see right now it's 79. Let's go to 72. So it's going to say override, as you can see. And right now it's going to override only up until the next program time period. Okay, so that's one way of overriding, is by just going up or down with your temperature set point to your desired set point. So as you see, I click it again and we can see our set point of 72. Now what happens if you want to do a more permanent override and hold 72 for, say, all month long? You would go and do the same thing. So basically, we're going to go ahead and dial in 72. But instead of just leaving it, you're going to hit hold. So when you hit hold, now it's going to be a permanent override. So as you can see right here on the screen, it says hold. That's going to be holding your 72 indefinitely. So until the point you come here and change it manually yourself, it's going to stay at 72. All right, guys, so there it is. Two different ways of manually overriding this device. This is the LUX Pro P711. And it's a great thermostat, very easy to read, very easy to use. But check out my other videos. Let's go over the other aspects of this. Factory reset and lockout, programming the device, as well as menu options. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.